Hey guys, it's Robin and Catherine here, your exercise physiologists from Parramatta. It's November and we're bringing you a nice juicy partner workout to hopefully inspire you this month to exercise.
Sometimes it can be hard to continue to motivate yourself throughout the year when you're exercising by yourself, but it can be a little bit easy to exercise with a partner. So today we thought we'd show you a few fun exercises that you can do with a workout buddy. So grab your mum, your brother, your sister, your friend and give it a go.
Hope you enjoy the workout. Have fun!